Happy Thursday, happy trading. Nothing I'd rather be doing than trading on Thursday. Let's go to the first stock. First play, as you can see right here, Uber. We had a Fab 4, opened in a green position. As soon as we got the takeout of the first 2 minute bar, we went ahead and bought. Then we bought some more. And then we got out. Didn't seem like it was going too much further. As soon as we got out, we looked at it like, hey, three finger spread, price 20, 200. And more importantly, if you go on the five, you're looking at it and you're saying, hey, wide state. And then you're saying, okay, bull 180. So we take this sell, we sell a lot, we get out majority, leave a lot, then get out more. Lo and behold, that bull 180 up here fell all the way down here. So we had a big play, and it was only 1/4 of the move, maybe 1/5. So again, um, need to work on it, but we made it past 11 today, so you can't complain. Let's keep going with Uber. You would have played this down, right? Maybe you would have played this up, got out, left a lot, waited for it to go down. I tried to. We weren't really playing on the five. We were playing on the two. So we got some fake outs on directions it was going. Let's see. Around 12:30. Okay, so we were trying to play this off a flat 200. Um, we did a buy, and then it went right against us, so we got out. Of course, it went up a little bit after that. Then we got our elephant. We tried to sell this one, and then we tried to sell more here, and of course, it went against us. This looks like this would have been a buy, and maybe you would have got that micro whale. That's pretty much the end of that. Let's go to Intel. Made the same type of play on Intel. Oh, we got a flat state, Fab 4, or Fab 4, green bar, wide state, got in, got more in, got out. Then on the bull 180, we sold right here, got out more. We tried, this looks exactly like Uber. Okay, so the first one we do is Intel, the next one we do is Uber. Um, let's go to Uber. So Uber, flat state. We tried to sell this because we saw an elephant going down, which is dumb, but it wasn't high enough to do that. Um, if it would have been higher, that would have been a better play. As soon as it got out there, we were like, all right. And then we looked right here, we saw the bull 180, got in right here, got out more. It continued to fall. We tried to play This down, and this down. Keep in mind you should play downs or ups near the 20. So if we look where we tried to play it, we tried to play it right there, and here was the play. So I guess not. I guess that was the play. That probably would have been a buy. We tried to sell. It went right against us. Then we got to sell right here. Oh, we tried to do a sell right here for no. So this was a terrible trade. This right here is a terrible trade. These were pointless trades. And I was pretty much up at 10:30 enough to go run errands. And then I came back and I traded and I lost everything and went to max loss. So oof, Oliver wouldn't have been happy. Let's just say that. Let's go to Walmart. Walmart. What we did is we saw this. We sold large red elephant bar. Set the stop right here. We set the stop right here. It went against us. This should have been stop and reverse. So we stopped and reversed and got out here. Then when it got here, we got in here, got out quickly. This would have been a nice play. Tail bar off of a flat 200. But if you look at 1014, 1014, it would have been here. So yeah, you probably is a nice play. You get a little bit, goes back down, another pop up, and then it goes soaring down. We sell here, it goes completely against us. Our stop was here. It turned, we got out, left a lot, and got out the last lot. And it looks like we could have just followed this all the way down. So this was the move. We got some of it, and then we got faked out here, and that's where they trapped us. They brought everyone else down with another whale. Next one, Mark. Oh man, this mouse is killing me. Okay, beginning of the day. Your state really would have been here, so you would have known to play off of that area. That would have been the move right here. Ironically, the first move was here, but again, unless you did this is the Fab Four and you ignored the 200 because it's so far away, and then this is the elephant bar, and then it's whale right there. But that just depends on if you view this as being in the Fab Four or not. Either or, you could get the full whale or the half whale, L1, L2. Then we get a red bar ignore right here. You play that up, you get some density. Keep in mind the 50% rule goes about 50%. Get some resistance, and you get a nice buy signal right here. I bought right there. Then it went reversed on us. And what you needed to do is buy this I didn't. Keep in mind, position of power. If you buy that, goes up, get to the previous close. What we did is we sold here thinking this was an elephant bar, got out right here, and it looks like that was the move because it went up. This could have been a nice buy signal. Keep in mind position of power. That's a red bar takeout right there. So ride it up, and you would have seen that probably right here. It's at 14, so 14. Yeah, roughly here. So even this. Next stock is going to be CVX and Fab 4, position of power, takeout, that's far away, comes back in, hits the Fab 4 where it is. You can play that down. Probably can play this one down if you get the opportunity. Nope. Nope. Well, there it is. There's the opportunity. You get two of them. Off the 200, off the 200, off the 200. Clear sell power. He finally got the break. Or right here, more than likely. You would have known from the 200. That would have been the get out sign. Wrote it back up. Off the 200. Bull 180. Ride that down. So those are the stocks today. We made it past 11. That was the win. We found out that you can make a lot of money with these stocks, and I'm a little less open with it. Like I'm able to have a lot more wiggle room than I was with the bigger stocks, so I'm liking it. And I was up, by the time Oliver's done 10 o'clock, I was really done. I hadn't traded in 3 days, so I just over traded until I couldn't trade anymore. But it felt good. It felt good to get a day of trading in, because the past 3 days were bad. But this week was just kind of rough. But I'll see you on Friday. Deuces.